In a world of short-term incentives and transactional relationships, loyalty is the rarest and most valuable currency. Most people view loyalty as something that happens naturally over time. They hope people stay true to them. But in the machine-like grind, hope is a system failure. The 1% do not hope for loyalty, they engineer it. They understand that an alliance is only as strong as its structural integrity under stress. Today we install the loyalty protocol. We are discussing how to engineer unbreakable alliances. The loyalty protocol is the clinical process of moving a relationship from transactional to systemic. In a transactional relationship, the bond is based on the current exchange of value. If the value stops, the bond breaks. In a systemic alliance, the bond is built into the architecture of both parties' lives. You are no longer just two individuals working together. You are two nodes in a unified operating system. To achieve this, you must move beyond fair-weather cooperation and into conflict-tested integration. The first principle of the protocol is the transparency layer. Loyalty cannot exist in an environment of hidden data. In the 1% mindset, you share your failure modes with your inner circle. You are honest about your vulnerabilities and your long-term objectives. This creates a shared reality. When everyone in the alliance is working from the same data set, the friction of suspicion is removed. Loyalty is engineered through the total elimination of information asymmetry. You are building a high-trust environment where the cost of verification is zero. Next, we address the burden-sharing metric. True loyalty is forged in the low-momentum phases. Anyone can be an ally when the machine is generating record profits. The loyalty protocol requires you to intentionally invest in your allies when they are underperforming. When a node in your network is failing, you don't discard it immediately. You provide the structural support required for its recovery. This creates relational equity. By standing by an ally during a system crash, you are installing a level of loyalty that no amount of money can buy. You are proving that your alliance is anti-fragile. Then there is the integrity constraint. You cannot engineer loyalty with people who lack a moral operating system. To build an unbreakable alliance, you must first audit for character consistency. You look for individuals whose words and actions match even when no one is watching. In the machine-like grind, we value predictability over charisma. You need to know exactly how your ally will react when the pressure reaches 100%. If their behavior is volatile, they are a data corruption risk. You only invite proven hardware into the loyalty protocol. The psychology of the 1% in this domain is long-term reciprocity. You don't keep score on a daily basis. You aren't worried about who owes whom more this week. You are focused on the lifetime value of the alliance. You act with the understanding that by protecting your allies' interests, you are inherently protecting your own. This is rational altruism. It is the cold, logical realization that a unified front is exponentially more powerful than a collection of individuals. To execute the loyalty protocol, you must lead with vulnerability and strength. You show your inner circle that you are committed to the mission, but you also show them that you are committed to them. You perform loyalty tests, small controlled situations where you can observe an ally's response to pressure. You don't build a fortress in a day. You build it brick by brick through 1,000 small acts of consistent reliability. The machine is powerful, but the alliance is invincible. In an era of ghosting and broken contracts, your ability to maintain a loyal circle is your greatest competitive advantage. You aren't just building a team, you are building a sovereign unit. Audit the character, share the burden, engineer the bond. The loyalty protocol is the foundation of the relational architecture. If you are ready to stop building temporary connections and start engineering alliances that last a lifetime, subscribe. We are moving from networking to empire building. We will see you in the next deep dive.